In today's video, I'm going to teach you export Wix content manually. If you're moving from Wix to WordPress, the key thing to know is that Wix doesn't offer a direct export tool for full site content. That means you'll handle most of the transfer by manually copying your text, images, and media, and then importing blog posts through an RSS feed where possible. I'll walk you through a clean, organized way to do this so nothing important gets lost. Start by opening your Wix site and working page by page. Highlight and copy the text you want to keep, then paste it into a safe place like a document or directly into your WordPress pages and posts later. As you copy, note headings, links, and any formatting you want to recreate. For images and media, save each file to your computer. Create a simple folder structure, something like pages, blog, and media, so you can quickly find what belongs where. Rename files in a clear, human-readable way, such as homepage hero.jpg, and jot down brief notes for image alt text to help with accessibility and SEO when you add them back in WordPress. For blogs specifically, head to your Wix blog settings and locate the RSS feed. Many Wix blogs expose an RSS feed you can download or open in your browser and then save as a file. This file is typically in XML format and contains your post content. Be aware that some feeds only include recent posts. If your site is older or has many posts, you may need to capture the feed in batches or supplement with manual copy for any posts not included. Save the RSS file someplace easy to find. You'll use it in the next step. Now, switch to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Tools, then Import, and choose RSS. If WordPress prompts you to install the RSS importer, follow the on-screen instructions and return to the import page. Select the RSS file you saved from your Wix blog and run the import. WordPress will create posts from that feed. When it finishes, review the imported posts to ensure titles, body text, and dates look right. Remember, RSS imports usually bring in text and basic formatting, not full-size media, so this is where your saved images come in. Open each imported post, upload the corresponding images to the WordPress media library, place them in the correct spots, add alt text and relink anything that needs it. That's the manual path. Copy your site content, capture your blog via RSS if available, and import it into WordPress. Take your time, stay organized, and verify each page and post as you go for the smoothest transition.